I snore and I've had a really hard time breathing at night. Check out what I got. This is Airphysio. So how I found this was I was reading an article about how mucus in your airways actually causes snoring. Airphysio, it helps me clear the excess mucus buildup that's responsible for clogging my airways. Kind of these gentle pulses of pressure, it quickly opens up blocked and semi-closed airways. It's a natural technique, okay? It targets the source of snoring. I'm finally able to sleep peacefully. Airphysio is a mucus clearance and lung expansion device that cleans out mucus from your lungs, okay? You just blow into Airphysio, you blow it just hard enough to lift the ball a little. If you're able to break up mucus in your lungs, you're gonna be able to just productively cough it out, and you repeat as necessary. I use it every day before bed. I've seen a tremendous improvement every night, and I've struggled with other solutions like sprays, allergy pills, neti pot, bunch of stuff. This is finally giving me deeper sleep.